It's almost like easy chili. So I've been spending a lot of time thinking about loneliness and how loneliness has been a part of my life for really mostly the last like year and a half, maybe 2 years. And I don't know, it seems to have worked its way back up after a few weeks of doing this, and just trying to figure out why I keep feeling like this. I'm sure part of it is I have some sort of expectation as to how I think life should be, and it's not being achieved. And I already know another part of it is just me not accepting what life really is, and that's just a lot of mundane things, which is I'm growing more and more accepting of. It's just it feels slow. Everything feels slow a lot of the time. I kind of just feel like I'm chasing some high, I guess, or some feeling, but I'm not quite getting to it on a regular basis. And I think it leads me to pushing people away a lot, or even not even just pushing people away. It also leads me to self-isolating on a regular basis. But it's weird because, I feel lonely and I want to reach out to people, but I feel like there's nobody to reach out to, which is not true. There's plenty of people that I know that are friends that I can reach out to. It's just somewhere along the road the past couple of years, I have led myself to believe that I can't reach out to people. But that's fine. And I think understanding that's probably a good step into doing more of that, just reaching out and seeing if people want to do anything or just hang out instead of assuming they don't want to. And then it also leads me to wonder why I'm doing this, which is, living out of this vehicle, which is fine. It's been 3 weeks and I've only had like 1 or 2 rough nights in 3 weeks, which is totally okay with me because I've had way more rough nights living in my house. Yeah, I guess I thought it would just, kind of cure what I was going through, but I guess it's just true that no matter what you're going through, it's going to follow you until you deal with it. And I think a lot of what I need to do is just kind of work on being alone. But really, I think everybody could do a better job at that. Anyways, I'm at a park in Alabama. Town I've been staying at. Just got through the gym not too long ago. It's about 10:30. I think I'm going to head down to Gulfport, Mississippi today, just to check it out. I've been through Mississippi plenty of times. I used to play gigs. My dad playing music, like Jackson and places like that. I've never just kind of hung out and saw what was around there. So, and Gulfport just looks nice. So I don't really know what's going to happen. It could be garbage for all I know. I doubt it. It's probably a decent town. So yeah, I'll probably be asking people on Instagram if anybody's around there if they want to hang out. If not, whatever. I'll just ride around. Maybe DoorDash. That could be cool. Learn the city a little bit in a day or two. But yeah, let's get this, I'm gonna get this trip going. 10:30, takes about 4 hours to get there. Get there in the afternoon before school gets out. That'd be cool. I'm at a rest area. Hell yeah, it's time to pee. Alright, that was a good urination. Let's keep going. Pretty good. So I changed the butane out in this thing for the first time ever. I take that back. It's the first time since I've been doing this. And it made a big difference. Kind of burned my first one, but I mean, well, I didn't really burn it. Well, I burned the seasoning, but it's still, I mean, it's still delicious. So I just wasn't expecting it to get that that hot, because it hasn't been for a while. You know, ever since I've been using it. I guess because I was just low on butane. But yeah, gonna eat this. Probably there's a brewery I want to go to. I didn't know it was here, so I'm just gonna go do that. It's close to the beach, so I may see it. I don't know. And we'll see what happens. I'm parked at this campsite. Paid $20 for it. It's all RV spots, but you know, it's whatever. Was gonna stealth camp, but I don't really want to. Just kind of wanted to be in somewhere kind of quiet, even though there's a highway right there. But you know, it's still nice to be out here, just kind of chilling, eating. I'm gonna go have a drink or two, come back, probably get some video editing done, and go to sleep, and then explore a little more tomorrow, and then head towards Gulf Shores again / Foley area, and hang out with friends. So yeah, see you in a bit. It's nice out here. Oh. Alright, I'm about to head to the beach just to check it out. I've never been to a Mississippi beach, but it's probably going to be pretty similar to what I'm used to, but it'll be cool either way. I'm going to do that and then go grab some breakfast and probably head towards Orange Beach to hang out with my buddy. And then, yeah, something about a sausage fest or like Oktoberfest or something. I really hope it's not the sausage fest he's trying to make it out it is, but we'll find out. It's really nice here, and the parking is just super easy. Like, it's right off the road. I've never had parking like this. That's just, you know, kind of easy to get to for a beach. And it is, you know, very off season. It's like 50 degrees outside right now, and there's like, you know, 2 other vehicles here, and it's 9 in the morning. So I don't know. It's I'd come here, hang out during the summer too. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's a lot more different than I expected, actually, and yeah, might come back, chill out. But I think I'm gonna go get some food now because I am hungry. Had a couple of adult beverages last night and filled my blood sugar. I feel like I need something to make it not feel the way it does.